In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Binance email address. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who needs to update their contact information, ensuring they continue to receive important notifications from Binance. Whether you're changing your email for security reasons or simply updating to a new address, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, begin by opening the Binance app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, take a moment to locate your profile icon. You can find this in the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to a menu with various options related to your account. Next, you'll want to navigate to the security section. Simply scroll through the menu until you find security and tap on it. Inside the security section, look for the option labelled email. Select this option to proceed. Now comes the critical part, changing your email. You'll see an option to change your email address, so tap on change email to start the process. Binance will guide you through a verification process to ensure you're authorized to make this change. This step is integral for maintaining the security of your account, as it prevents unauthorized changes. After you've initiated the change, it's time to input your new email address. Carefully enter the new email that you want associated with your Binance account. Make sure it's an email you have easy access to, as you'll need to verify it. Once entered, Binance will send a confirmation link to your new email. Head over to your email inbox and look for this confirmation email. If you don't see it right away, remember to check your spam or junk folder as well. There are two ways to confirm this new email address. You can either click on the link provided in the email, which is often the simplest route, or if you prefer, you can manually enter the verification code included in the email back into the Binance app. Either method works perfectly well, so choose whichever you find more convenient. Once you've completed the verification, return to the Binance app and you'll notice a Submit button on the screen. Simply tap Submit to finalize the email change process. If everything has been entered correctly and verified, you will receive a confirmation that your Binance email has been updated successfully. And there you have it. Your Binance email address has now been successfully changed. Congratulations, you're all set. Make sure to update any email bookmarks you might have and inform your contacts of your new email address if necessary. I hope this guide was helpful and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.